Hello friends, I am Parvinder Randhawa from IBSL India. You are watching YouTube channel Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Please like, comment and share YouTube channel. This is reading video in which there is a solution of a map and I am going to solve it. And this is taken from the book, that is IELTS reading test. This is a map which I am going to solve. First of all, what we have to do, just check the sheet please. We have to select the phrase from A to E from the list of places to label the map below. And these are the places here: the Span Mountains, right, Dunluce Castle, Shoan, the Glens of Antrim, right, Limvady. So these are the things on which we have to discuss. And this is a map where N is given. You can do one thing in your test: write the directions or make a complete line here. Fine, because you have to do with pencil: east, south, north, west, to make yourself very easy. If you remember your geography class, I think this is written here, Derry. There is a round here, dot here, so it means it's a town here. Fine, they have shown here the river row. Fine, and this is the shape of the mountain, because half of the things you can solve by your mind. This is a shape of kind of hills, we can say. Again, a place. This is a place. It means, and they have given this also, that we will check. This is 29th. We have to solve, right, and we have to select the places from this area. That is the list of places. And 30 is the dot here, 31 again a dot, and 32 this we have to select, that what is it, and 33 we have to select from here, because they have given to this one, that is, this is river row. Fine, so we have to work accordingly. And this map, the solution is in this passage, and you should spend whatever maybe. They have written some of the instructions for you, right? And if you check the first para, you can look here please. They have written here Nishovan Palace, Peninsula, Derry. They have written Glens of Antrim. They have written Span Mountains. They have written. So a lot of things, they are just like, we can say that 1, 2 and 3, yes, A. Then they have written this also, 2 and 3. So 3 they have written A, C, D here, right? And you can further you can check here, Derry is written here, because this type of work, it will make us very easy to solve. We can easily get the solutions here. Fine, so let's work on this one. First try this one. Check the language here. Between the Nishovan Peninsula, no comma is there. It's a great job. Northwest of Derry, right? Then there is a comma, and so if you remember, the grammar says that between has a great relation with and. It means from this, the up to the Derry, this is one part, and second part starts from here, right? Then there is a comma after Antrim. In the east, beyond, right, the mountains. So it means this is in the east, which is let's do first because it's better to keep the map in front of us. Just wait for a moment. Now he is saying Nishovan Peninsula northwest of Derry. So as I have underlined here, north is this one, west is this one. So which is northwest? So this is suppose Derry. So what is the northwest of it? This is the northwest. It means, and what is in to the northwest of Derry? That is Nishovan Peninsula, right? So you suddenly the answer is just in front of you. That is 29th. It comes out to be C here. Okay, so because due to the northwest of Derry. So this is a town here, maybe any place we can say dot shows, because if up to 10th class geography is a must subject and mostly people studied it also, the map work. Next, let's go to the next line. And the glens of Antrim which are in the east. So where is the east here? So this side is east, right? Then he said beyond the Sparran Mountains. So beyond the Sparran Mountains. So let's go to the, this is the, naturally I told you, check the language here first. Just a moment. It's in the east, far away from, beyond means far away from the Sparran Mountains. So and river is coming from the mountain, because this is shape of the mountains. You did also, even if in your drawing class also. So it means 33rd is the A. You can check on the sheet. And this, the glens, these are in the east. So this is the east direction, which are beyond this mountain. So 32 is your, this one, right? That is your D here. So and A is your 33rd. So this is we can say that three solutions are just in front of us due to one technique, that is the language, if we understand, between has a great relation with and. So same relation is played here. Okay. So the writer used the same relation with the help of the commas. Fine. He solved the complete line here. So these three are solved very easily. If you understand, so it means there is a text of your 10th class or before it, and the knowledge of English grammar between and at. Now what's left here? So let's look at that. One is Limwende is left and E is left as well as D is left. So two are left. So let's go to the next para, because we haven't got. So wherever we find the word, we will stop there. So castle is there, but word has been changed. Yes, this is. Number of houses which made up the town of, right? The town takes its name from the legend of a dog leaping into the river Row. So it means this town is close to River Row, carrying a message or perhaps chasing a stag. This is a magical place where dash 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 whatever may be. So it means the town has taken the name from the River Row. So this town is close. So Row is there, river, and there are two places here which we have to solve. That's it, your 3O and 3-1. So which one is close to river Row? So it's your answer, that is your E here. So it's your 3O. Now one left. Naturally 3-1 is the answer, but let's check the language first. Just outside the present day of, yes, this one we have got for the present day of West Bank. So world is this and this, whatever may be. Some 30 miles along the coast road from Limavady, imposing, yes, this I have got here. So 30 miles along the coast road from this, it's a ruin of Dunluce Castle. So that is the point here, 30 miles from this coast road. So even if there is no demarcation here, no idea here whether this is sea or not, but if it is a peninsula, naturally it's a part of the sea, this area. So there may be, we can say 30 miles, it may be 30 miles, so which one is left? So that's my castle answer is there. So this way we can easily solve. So you can check the sheet please. This is taken from your IELTS reading test, right? So we can write the answers properly. 29th is your C, 3O is your E, 3-1 is your B, 3-2 D, 3-3 A. So it's a CE, right? These are the answers here, and it's a game of words only. So River O is there, everything is there on which the questions are based. This is about IELTS reading. A map solution is there. After this I'll go with the composite diagram also. So fine, after this I'll do it. So it's just a map here, and this is taken from IELTS reading test. It's a academic module. So this is the sheet from which we found the solutions here. So that's all in English. Please like, comment and share YouTube channel. That's Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Subscribe the channel please, so that you can get the notifications of the latest videos. Thanks once again for watching this. Now my session in Hindi starts. यहाँ मैंने आज ये चीज़ सेलेक्ट की है जो मैंने अभी भी सॉल्व की है स्टार्टिंग में. यहाँ पे वर्कआउट क्या है कि आपको पता है कि आपने ज्योग्राफी पढ़ी है, उसमें हमारा जो डॉट होता है वो हमेशा टाउन या प्लेस होता था. ये रिवर, वैसे भी इन्होंने हिंट दिया हुआ है रिवर रो, तो इसको दिखाया हुआ है, राइट. सो ये जो होता है माउंटेन की शेप होती है, ये अपना हिल्स कह सकते हैं हम लोग, हिल्स की शेप है. अब इसने डायरेक्शंस हमारे को नॉर्थ की दे दी, तो एवरीबॉडी नोज की नॉर्थ के ऑपोजिट साउथ है, राइट टू द नॉर्थ, ईस्ट और वेस्ट साउथ है. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे अपना डायग्राम लाइन मार्क कर सकते हैं ऑन द मैप. उसके बाद करने के बाद अब मुझे ये चेक करना है कि ये वर्ड्स कहाँ पे हैं मेरी शीट के अंदर. लकली यहाँ क्या हुआ कि फर्स्ट पैरे में ही वर्ड्स मुझे मिल गए थे, राइट. यहाँ मैंने अपना ग्रामर यूज़ की कि बिटवीन का रिलेशन एंड से है. अब इन लोगों ने क्या किया, जो मुझे सॉल्व करना था वो मैंने अंडरलाइन या माइंड में सेट करना है. एक तो मुझे ये पेनिनसुला का वर्ड सॉल्व करना था, निशोवन पेनिनसुला. एक मुझे ग्लेंस ऑफ एंट्रियम का सॉल्व करना था, दैट एक मुझे स्पैरन माउंटेन्स को सॉल्व करना था, राइट. तो ये वर्ड्स मुझे सॉल्व करने थे. तो ये तीनों वर्ड्स पहले पैरे में है, फिर भी आगे जाके भी आपको मिलेंगे वर्ड्स, ऐसी बात नहीं है. अब बिटवीन इसने कहा कि द निशोवन पेनिनसुला नॉर्थ वेस्ट ऑफ डेरे, जो डेरे के नॉर्थ वेस्ट है. तो ये आपका डेरे टाउन है, कोई भी प्लेस है. इसका जो नॉर्थ वेस्ट बनेगा, जब मेरे नॉर्थ यहाँ है, मेरा वेस्ट ये है, एक मिनट, तो नॉर्थ वेस्ट ये बनेगा. तो नेचुरली एकदम आपका 29 का आंसर आपको एकदम मिलेगा, डैट इज योर सी, निशोवन, राइट. सो ये आपका पहला सॉल्यूशन हो गया. फिर अब मुझे पता है बिटवीन का रिलेशन एंड से, कोमा डाल के इसने एंड लिखा, तो ग्लैंस ऑफ एंट्रियम इन द ईस्ट, जो ईस्ट में है, तो ईस्ट में ये चीज़ है. अब ये वर्ड के स्टूडेंट से हो सकता है फर्स्ट टाइम, मतलब कि ग्लैंस जो वर्ड है एक्सप्लेनेशन किया हो बियॉन्ड, बट माउंटेन्स उसने लिखा है, माउंटेन्स की शेप ये होती है इसके बाद, तो ये माउंटेन्स हैं और इसके बाद ईस्ट में ये है जिनको उसने ग्लेंस कहा है यहाँ पे, राइट। तो माउंटेन्स आपका आंसर जो ये था डेट इज 33rd, तो ये 33rd मेरा बन गया माउंटेन्स का आंसर, डेट गोज टू ए। अब जब ये हो गया उसके बाद वो कहता है कि ये ईस्ट में है इसके बाद ये, तो ग्लेंस जो थी मेरी 32 थी, तो ये मेरा डी आंसर बन जाता है यहाँ पे। ये वर्कआउट मेरा इस तरह हो गया। ये वाला मेरा वर्कआउट जब हो जाता है, राइट, 32 सॉल्व हो गया मेरा और 29 सॉल्व हो गया और 33rd सॉल्व हो गया। इसके बाद मैं आगे वर्कआउट करता हूँ। अब आगे जाने के बाद थर्ड पैरे में मुझे ये मिल जाता है कि लिव वैली जो टाउन है उसको डॉग लीपिंग इनटू द रिवर रो है, राइट, कि वहाँ से मिला। इसका मतलब 2 प्लेसेस रह गए हैं, जो रिवर के पास है वो टाउन है, और आगे जाके उसने क्लियर भी किया हुआ है हिल का नाम लेके, राइट, जस्ट आउटसाइड द प्रेजेंट डे टाउन ऑफ वेस्ट बैंक ऑफ, तो उसने 2 जगह क्लियर किया है। अब ये नेचुरली ये रिवर रो के पास जो मेरा टाउन है, तो मेरा 30th का आंसर ई बन गया। अब ये रह गया, तो नेचुरली ये मेरा रह गया है, तो सोल्यूशन इजी हो जाता है मेरे लिए, बट उसने आगे जाके क्लियर कर दिया 30 माइल्स अलोंग द कॉस्ट रोड फ्रॉम लिव वैली वंस अप कम अपॉन द राइट डनल्यूस कैसल। सो कैसल मेरा आंसर बन गया। तो इस तरह ये सोल्यूशन था जो आई डिड इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। शायद आप लोगों ने अपनी प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट में ये मैप किया हो, राइट। आई टोल्ड यू दैट दिस इज फ्रॉम आइल्स रीडिंग टेस्ट। इट्स अ वेरी नाइस बुक। इसमें मेरे ख्याल से काफ़ी टेस्ट हैं और सारे मतलब कि वेरी नाइस टेस्ट हैं। सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द सॉल्यूशंस एंड द दिस। तो मतलब एक वर्कआउट करके हम लोग इजीली सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। थोड़ी सी वो बात है भी ग्रामर और लैंग्वेज को अंडरस्टैंड करना हो तो ईजिली हो जाता है हमारे लिए। एंड दिस टेकन इज फ्रॉम दिस इज टेस्ट 6 I think so, and reading passage is 3 just in front of your screen. So that's all about this. So thanks for watching this channel. You are watching YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Please like, comment and share करिए, right? above all subscribe करिए इस चैनल को। Thanks for watching this channel. ऐसे ही न्यू वीडियोस के साथ, नए कंसेप्ट के साथ ये चैनल हमेशा emerging रहेगा, right, because it is one of the best channels in the field of IELTS, everybody knows. Thanks once again for watching Parvinder Randhawa Guru.